If someone had told me 10 years ago that I could make $3,000 in just 15 minutes, I would have said that's crazy. But today, I made even more, testing a new strategy. Let's not waste any time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to repeat this strategy and how it works in practice. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. There's tons of useful information about trading. All you need to do is find my contact below this video and message me. I will add you to my private group for real traders, where I share my trades. Right now, my balance is $223,406, but it's about to be more. Today, I'm risking $1,000 per trade, with an expiration time of 2 minutes and a 30-second time frame. For indicators, we'll need an RSI with a 10-period setting and Bollinger Bands set to 20.2. That's all the prep work. Now, let's find an entry point. I immediately spot a good entry for a long position. Overall, we have a solid uptrend. There was a recent correction, and the indicators have reset. Yeah, the RSI hasn't quite hit the 30 zone, but I want to be ahead of the curve, so I'm entering the trade now. Even if it goes negative, no worries, I can re-enter based on the strategy. Honestly, there's nothing to be afraid of. The trend is up, so there's a good chance of a bounce from these levels. Let's see how the price moves. Awesome! The first trade closes in profit $1,840. The analysis worked out 100%. So let's keep going. I'm entering another long position. The uptrend is still intact, and we just had a bit of consolidation. Right now, the price is testing a previous resistance level that has turned into support. Based on the RSI dropping below 50, we might see a bounce from here. Also, if you check the history, you'll see that previously the price didn't even reach 30 before forming strong support around 40. So I'm opening the trade and waiting for the price to continue rising. The price dropped and I lost $1,000. No big deal, that happens. I think I'll re-enter, but with a different currency pair, because the profit percentage is high there. Guys, always check that. It should be at least 70%, preferably 80%, because that's your profit margin. Okay, let's move on. Alright, I found a decent entry for a long position, because I see a local bounce here. But there's a risk. Even though the price is forming a support line, the overall trend is down. So I wouldn't recommend these kinds of trades for beginners. Looking at the history, the last bounce happened around RSI 35, but now the price has dropped even lower. In the long run, the price might start rising from here. Let's see what happens. Yes, just as I predicted, the price moved in the right direction. Analysis worked perfectly. $3,620 profit. That loss is fully covered. So I'll bring my risk back to 1,000 and look for another entry. Hopefully, it will be just as successful. Every trade you just saw, I shared it live in my Telegram as I took it. And those who followed along, many messaged me right after with real results. If you're done guessing and want to follow real-time entries, here's how. Click the link below, open the Telegram bot and tap text me and send. Add me to the signals. In the last few days alone, we've had 72 trades. Over 87% of them closed in profit. So if you're ready to trade smarter, I'll see you inside. I'm entering a long position quickly. I see a strong uptrend structure forming with solid support in the 46-47% RSI zone. The price has just touched the middle Bollinger Band, which also acts as support. Sure, the price sometimes breaks below, but we already got the first green candle, confirming the upward movement. I'm expecting the trend to continue and bring in some profit. There we go, another $1,840 in profit. Let's keep going and find a new currency pair to trade. Time to go short. Looking at the history, every time the price reaches the upper Bollinger Band, it pulls back. RSI is at 70%, so it makes sense to expect a downward move, at least to the middle Bollinger Band. No hesitation here, I'm entering the trade. That's the power of this strategy. The price dropped and I'm locking in $1,820 in profit. That's a wrap for today. 5 trades, 4 wins, 1 loss that I fully recovered, leaving me with the clean $3,100 in profit. You saw every move step by step, and if you look at the trade history, almost every setup played out just as planned. Still think trading is just luck? These results speak for themselves. And the best part, this is only the beginning. When the market gives you setup this clear, all that matters is how you handle them calmly, consistently, and with the strategy that actually works. That's exactly what we are doing every day inside my Telegram. I share all my trades live, explain the logic behind them, and help traders to cut through the noise and focus on what really matters. So, if you're ready to trade smarter and grow with the community, the next step is simple. Click the link below, message me, and I'll get you in. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the next one. It's packed with powerful setups. You don't want to miss them. See you there.